I remember one time in a workshop, Grandmaster Choa Koksu had us chanting the Gayatri Mantra as we project electric violet and sweep people down. And this is extremely powerful because what happens is when you're doing it, like powerful, like electric violet energy comes out, and it just radiates out, and it just cleans whatever's there, like, and it has a regenerative effect. And so when I really want to bring like a lot of power, I'll play the Lakshmi guy, not the Lakshmi, the Gayatri Mantra. And if you get the CD, it's an hour and 12 minutes, and it's a chore to do the whole thing. I've only actually done the whole thing one time, and I didn't remain conscious the whole time. We're actually like chanting along with Master Choa. It only takes about 5 minutes, I mean maybe even 8 reps. Saying it 8 times. It takes, I don't know, probably less than 5 minutes. But just that alone in the morning, like, just, it super energizes your mental body, and gets you ready for the day. But if you were to chant 108 of them, that's like, I don't know. I mean, if you can handle it, do it. But you could just play it though, and leave it playing in the background, while you're working. And that energy, it'll radiate out for